Stay with me a second and learn just a little bit about humanity's earliest written language. I mean, mainly though, about how fucking annoying it can be. So in English we have homophones, where two words can sound the same but have different meanings, like for and for, but mostly they're spelt differently, so we can quite easily tell them apart. I mean, there is the odd few like live and live, which are spelt the same and mean different things, but that's a rarity. In fact, that's the only one I can think of. I don't know whether any of you guys can think of any others. But Sumerian takes this to a whole nother level, to the point where to learn Sumerian, you've got to really want to learn Sumerian. So in this tablet, how many times can we see this sign? I count 9 times. It's serving 4 and arguably 5 different functions. It has 2 different phonetical values, both of which are being used in this inscription, and it's also being used as a proper noun. Let's go through them one by one. So the very top line, this is being used as a silent determinative for divine, in the name of the god Shara. So the next line down is being used as a proper noun Anu. The line is saying the authority of Anu. So 2 lines down, serving the same purpose as the top line as a silent determinative for the name of the goddess Inanna. 2 lines down again. So on this line you see it twice, and again it's being used as a silent determinative both times, but it's of one name. This is the name of a king, and he's being named after the god of the moon, so that's why you see it twice in his name. So it appears first before Shu, which is representing the king himself, and it's being used again before the name of the god of the moon, Suen. So the whole thing is really saying the divine hand of the divine Suen, but really it's all just one name, Shu Suen. The next line down from that is being used as its proper noun again for Anu. This is the divine priest of Anu. And then 2 lines down, again, a silent determinative for the god Enlil. So the next 2 lines are together and it appears twice. The first time, silent determinative again, but for Ninlil, the goddess Ninlil, Enlil's consort. And then again, as it's pronounced, this time, phonetical value Diĝir, meaning God, but this is pluralized because of the next 2 signs, Gal. So those last 3 lines says Enlil, Ninlil, and all the great gods. Next line down again, silent determinative for Enlil. And then for the last time, 7 lines down from there, and this time it's being used for its syllabic value, an, but building a longer word, anupta, which means corner. You see it many times on this tablet too, but I'm not going to go through this one. I'm just going to show it because it's just a good looking tablet.